how to adjust page orientation and rotate pages with Raster Image Printer 12. In this video, we will work through an example where you have a multi-page document with a mixture of portrait and landscape pages, but want to create a file with only portrait pages. This will allow me to demonstrate to you the two different methods that you can use to adjust orientation and rotate pages using version 12 of Peernet's image printers. Firstly, here is the original Word document that we will be printing to either TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or Raster Image Printer. As you can see, there is a mixture of portrait and landscape pages. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile, Color Optimized TIFF. Because I still want to create a color multi-page TIFF image, I just want to enable the rotation of landscape pages. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it the Demo Profile and add Portrait Only to the description. The most basic way to rotate pages is on the Page Editing tab. Under Rotate Pages, there are two rotation dials, one for portrait pages and one for landscape pages. We want to produce a TIFF file with only portrait pages, so we only need to rotate pages that are currently landscape. Therefore, we will set the landscape pages dial to rotate landscape pages 90 degrees, thereby making them portrait. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when we print our sample document to your image printer, we can see that we've created a file with all pages oriented portrait. All the pages that were previously landscape have been rotated 90 degrees. Alternatively, there is a second page rotation method you can use if you don't want to rotate the contents of the page, but still want a TIFF file with only portrait pages. Go to the Profile Manager and reopen your new profile. First, go back to the Page Editing tab and undo the previous rotation that we configured. Then go to the Page Resizing tab. Under Copy Page to New Size, enable Copy and scale each page onto the new page size inside the set margins. Essentially, when this feature is activated, your image printer will take a snapshot of each of your pages and copy it onto your new page. For our purposes, we are going to request that our new page be letter-sized with only portrait-oriented pages. And disable Auto Rotate Page for best fit when needed. This will force your image printer to resize the page contents of pages that were originally landscape to fit on the new portrait pages. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager and the dashboard. Now when we print our sample document to your image printer, we can see that we've created a file with all pages oriented portrait. For the pages that were previously landscape, the content has been copied and pasted onto the new portrait page. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.